my name is Vadini. I'm from RPIIT College, Karnal. Today, we'll continue with our topic. In my previous topic, we discussed about what is branch testing. We will review it today. Branch testing is a testing where it is defined like the main goal is to ensure that one possible branches from each decision point is executed at least once. In the branch testing, the code module is tested and the outcomes are of binary, means true and false both, and we are testing both the outcomes, true and false. Let's start with the feature of the branch testing. There are some features which are generally provided to help any software project. It allows you to validate all the branches in the code. It is non-functional testing type. It ensures that no branch leads to abnormal behavior. It provides to find the quantitative measure of the code coverage. It generally ignored branches using the Boolean expressions. Let's continue with the advantages of branch testing. It is generally easy to implement. It is simple to apply. It is approved that all the branches in the code are reached. Then generally takes guarantee that no branches prompt any irregularity of the program's operation. It also solves the issues that happen with the statements in the coverage testing. Let's continue with the disadvantage of the branch testing. Disadvantages, it neglects the branches inside Boolean expressions, which happen because of short circuit administrators. Then it is very costly when we implement it. It takes more time for performing this task. Branch testing, let's just conclude this topic. Branch testing is a branch coverage testing, which is a white box testing technique that focusing on ensuring every possible branch, or we can say the path within a program's code, is executed at least once during the testing. What it means that we will test both the true and false outcomes of the conditional statements by verifying all the branches. The branch testing helps to identify potential issues like dead code or unexpected behavior. What are the key aspects? If we say focus on decision points, execution of all branches, white box testing, and coverage measurement. This is it for the video. If you like our channel, do like and subscribe. Thank you.